Got up this morning, came straight to work, edited on the computer for a few hours, and got a project that I'm exporting now. So I thought, well, let me continue the process of having positive momentum. We just got back from Boston, had an incredible time working at Hunt's Photographic. Both Jennifer and I did speeches and presentations. Everything went really well received. Thank you to everybody who came out. We really enjoyed your company.
Damaging strong winds. Winds in excess of 58 miles per hour, and that's enough to take trees down. It's enough to do some damage to power lines. I know we have a report in, and if Amanda, you can update me on that.
You got it. I love it. Where's your giggling smile? Have you done this before? Oh, yes. I think you might have done it once or twice. And relax our shoulders. Relax them. Oh, perfect. Wow, Katie. It was like Beauty and the Beast.
Let's kind of zoom out and just do a quick reset right here and just show you just how big this system is.
Got a lot of projects coming up. It is spring, which means we are getting busier and busier by the day until we reach a point where we're so busy we can't breathe. But I love that about the photography industry. I love that I'm able to live my dream.
There's no tornado warning on this, but there are some very strong winds, so we want to give you a first alert with this system as well. And I want to time it out. We'll draw this
Come on.
All right, Bone, come on, get some treats. Great.
We had some pretty serious storms come through this afternoon, took out a whole bunch of trees. That's one tree down, or at least a big portion of it. All in all, we have to consider ourselves lucky. No trees hit the house, but we got quite a few trees down. Looks like that's another tree down. This thing just snapped. Look at this thing. Then we have another tree blocking the road here. That is on our neighbor's property. Looks like the crews are arriving here. All right, so that's about 5 trees, give or take, and then I got this giant one here. Used to do a lot of portraits under this beautiful tree. It was just in bloom, doing some amazing things. I tell ya, I've been in Connecticut a long time. I don't think I've ever seen a storm come through quite like that.
No, this is the sweetest baby. She's a baby face.
Normally I'd be using a chainsaw, but I can't get out of the driveway to get gas for the chainsaw, so I gotta cut this up to get out of the driveway. Little outside reality. Wow.
My favorite girl. tuckered out there? You're such a good girl. You were so afraid of the storm.
Blue Rider.
So I'm just going through the images before her mom shows up to see them. We always like to kind of give our 2 cents to our clients and show them something a little extra special. So we've gone through, designed our favorites, and created a catalog of designer photographs, so she can pick the right ones and know what they're going to look like when they're finally printed.
And I said, yeah, Blue Rider. Life is short, but love is long.
The photographs of the photo shoot that we did with that tree that was still upright. It's unbelievable how much damage everything's done. He's so cute. Oh, such a good girl.
Don't live life by the soul. You might die by the gun. And I said, hell, Blue Rider. Life is short, but love's long. I said, hell, Blue Rider. Life is short, life is
Singing the blues, Ruby.
On the next episode of Artist at Work. I'm goofing on the congas today. I'm trying to get back in the creative spirit, back in the creative zone after a couple of days of getting beat up, wielding a chainsaw up in the air after we had some crazy tornado warnings and storms, rush through the state of Connecticut.